Hey everyone, I'm here to talk about giving a gift to the teacher in your life. Whether it's for their birthday, holiday, or teacher appreciation, if you've ever stopped and wondered, what do teachers actually want? Is it always just coffee? Well, you're not alone. As a teacher of 20 plus years, I've seen it all, the fuzzy socks, the novelty ties, the melted chocolate, and I'm here to share with you what teachers really appreciate. Now, if you are one of my former students watching this, I am sure I cherished the gift that you gave me to this day. But for everybody else, let's start with the things that teachers probably don't want. Number one, coffee mugs. I know, I'm sorry. It is a simple go-to gift. There's the world's best teacher, the one that's shaped like an apple, the one that you handmade in ceramics class. But let me tell you that the cabinet in the teacher's lounge is full. I'm sorry, no mugs. In that same vein, number two, teacher-themed knickknacks. If it says, teach, love, inspire, I probably have multiple versions of that already. Now, these gifts are well-intentioned, but eventually our shelves look like an end cap at Michael's. Number three is school supplies. This is a maybe. If you have a teacher who has expressed that they are out of dry erase markers, go for it. If you have a teacher who is obsessed with colorful gel pens, do it. But otherwise, we probably are fully stocked up. So pencil this one out. Number four is skincare, lotions, bath bombs, candles. Now, these can be lovely. I have gotten some really, really good ones, but they are also risky. You don't know who's allergic, who hates vanilla, who already has a candle graveyard at home. Plus, there are only so many relaxation products you can give someone who hasn't peed since breakfast. Number five, plants. This is probably just me. I feel so bad when they die. They're so pretty, but so many dead orchids. I already have 150 other living things to take care of, and this goes for plants, pets, and anything that comes with instructions. If I have to care for it, assemble it, clean up after it, even if it's the most adorable fish or the most beautiful plant or the coolest project, I consider it homework. It is not a gift. And finally, anything that has glitter. Just no. That is a commitment, not a gift. And that's a commitment nobody has asked for. Now let's talk about gifts that I loved. Gifts that made my life a little bit easier or had a real personal touch. Number one, personal hall passes or stationery. A few years ago, I got personalized hall passes in my class colors, and I use them all the time. I get lots of compliments on them as well. I love that other staff members know instantly that it's from me. We have school-issued passes, but inevitably somebody has the pass when somebody else needs it, so I still have to write something down. Or I'm sending down that one student where I want the note to do the talking. These have been really useful, really helpful. You might even say noteworthy. In the similar vein, number two, a personalized nameplate. I've always had my name written on the board because even in April, students still kind of forget which class they're in or what your name is. So a personalized nameplate on your desk or your wall, it's helpful. It feels really nice. It's a nice personal touch to your space. Number three. This one's genius. A little toolkit or classroom survival kit. Throw in a mini screwdriver, safety pins, tweezers, maybe a tape measure, some Advil. I can't tell you how many times I've had students and teachers come down to my classroom and ask, do you have a screwdriver? Do you have safety pins? Do you have Band-Aids? Yes, I do. Number four, gift cards. Always a safe bet. Coffee shops, Target, Amazon, of course. But the one that I have loved the most was to one of our local restaurants that I just happened to have never gone to before. I took my family, we had a fantastic time, and then kept going back. And it felt great to support a small local business at the same time. Number 5, home-baked food. If you love to bake, go for it. Years ago, I had a student gift me fudge. I still think of it to this day. But this one's a hit or miss. There could be some people who are watching their calories. So for some, sweets are a joy. For others, it's just temptation sitting on our desks. I share it with other staff members, students, and my family. It never goes to waste. So I think this one is a win. Number 6, beer and wine. Yes, it does happen. It might surprise you, but it does. A family once gifted multiple staff members at my school wine bottles, and let's just say morale was very high that day. You just want to make sure that the school district doesn't have a policy against it, and make sure an adult is dropping it off and drop it off at the main office, not at the teacher's classroom. And finally, my all-time favorite gift to give a teacher is supporting their DonorsChoose project or their Amazon wish list. I always keep a running list of things that my classroom actually needs, usually materials for a special project that isn't in our regular budget. And keep an eye on DonorsChoose's matching days. They usually happen at the start of the school year, around Giving Tuesday, and the Tuesday of Teacher Appreciation Week in May. And that's where your donations can go even further. It is one of the most meaningful ways that you can support a teacher and their students. So there you have it, gifts that teachers will actually use, love, and remember. And just to be safe while you're feeling generous, some districts might have policies around teacher gifts. It might be a limit to the total dollar amount. It might be guidelines on what's okay to give. The goal is appreciation, not accidentally triggering an ethics committee meeting. In all seriousness, receiving a gift as a teacher always feels wonderful. And honestly, the real favorite gifts I've received over the years are the thoughtfully written notes, cards, and emails that I've received that have cost nothing. Those I have definitely kept.